Hello, I'm Antonio Barrerra, an orthopedic spine surgeon. I'm here at the Seattle Science Foundation for the 10th Annual Advanced Lateral Approaches to the Spine. All the lectures from today will be posted in the coming weeks to SSF YouTube, so stay tuned. In the meantime, here is what else is happening this week at SSF. Tuesday, we'll have Dr. Huang from Shriners Children's Philadelphia will discuss complex pediatric deformity at our interesting spine case discussion. Join us Wednesday morning for our cerebrovascular Q&A series. Dr. Cyrus Savetian from the University of Washington will discuss movement disorders at our neurology grand rounds Thursday morning. And please mark your calendars for May 25th, when we will hold our third annual image-guided interventional spine procedures course. Through expert lectures and hands-on cadaveric demonstrations, we will explore the evolution of minimally invasive image-guided surgical treatment of the spine. As always, you can register for any of our courses at ssfcme.org. Thank you for your support at Seattle Science Foundation.